Christy Merrick, the director of the Natural Start Alliance. It's my pleasure to welcome you to the 2025 Nature-Based Early Learning Conference. Natural Start is a provider-led movement that leverages the incredible expertise and commitment of early learning professionals to bring nature and the outdoors into every aspect of our early learning systems for every single child. Whether we're meeting online like we are this year or in person like we will next year, this conference is our biggest event all year. It's our opportunity to come together to share where we are as a profession and plan where we want to go. This year, our conference theme is Rooted and Resilient. The world is changing fast, and as a profession, we have to stay rooted in why we do this work, even as we navigate change, just as we're building resilience in children through nature-based education. We couldn't be more proud to support and represent you in the work that you do for children because your work is critical. You can count on Natural Start to keep you connected to your professional network, to provide resources and research to keep you informed on the latest thinking in our profession, and advocate for more nature in early childhood education. There are so many incredible people across the Alliance who help make this conference possible. The heart of the conference is the sessions, and there are over 100 sessions this year. So congratulations to our presenters for being selected, and thank you for sharing your expertise. Our sponsors not only support the conference, but by supporting the conference, they're also supporting you. Their products and services are designed for nature-based educators, so please take some time to visit our sponsors. And finally, you should know that behind this conference every year is an incredibly talented and committed team of staff, consultants, and volunteers. So many hours go into producing this event, so thank you so much to everyone who's put their heart into bringing us together this year. And thank you for being here and for everything that you do for children. We're so happy that you're part of the Natural Start Alliance.
Hello, I'm Sydney Gary, Natural Start's Conference and Communications Coordinator. I'm so excited to welcome you to NatStart25. We've been working for many months to put this event together, and we're so thrilled that it'll be available to you for the next year to take it all in. We go live the week of July 14th, 2025, and all sessions will be recorded so you can catch anything that you might miss. We'll kick off on Monday with 2 workshops to choose from, or you can attend both. In the morning, we'll learn about building resilience in young children with the Institute for Wild Med. And in the afternoon, we'll explore resources for working with multilingual learners with Project Learning Tree. We have 2 exciting featured sessions for this year's program. On Tuesday, you'll meet Isabel Howe, author of the newly published book, Love to Learn. And on Thursday, author and illustrator Rasha Hamid will share her Blueberry Award-winning book, How to Bird, and more. Concurrent sessions on topics from every conference strand will be featured from Tuesday through Thursday. And don't forget that these live sessions are in addition to over 50 on-demand sessions that are already available on the conference platform today. We'll close the week of live sessions with site tours, which are always a highlight of the conference. This year, we're featuring programs that are located outside of the United States. In the morning, travel north to Canada to learn about a long-standing forest kindergarten program located in a public school district. Then, in the afternoon, we'll head south to Brazil to get inspired by a network of nature-based programs led by an incredible group of women. I promise that you don't want to miss these tours. And after the live events conclude, everything is available on demand until next summer, so you can return to these sessions as much as you'd like. And remember that you can download certificates of attendance for every session you watch. Once you add a session to your list of attended sessions, you can access it from your account page. On your account page, you'll see all the sessions you attended, and you can also download certificates here. Reach out to us at any time if you have any questions or ideas. We're here to support you, and we hope you have an incredible conference experience.